Let's embark on a journey as I strive to master my communication skills. Let's see if we can make a notable difference in communicating with others and our personal growth. Effective communication is the fundamental principle of success in all aspects of life. That I know for sure. Whether nurturing solid relationships, advancing in your career, or navigating everyday situations, the ability to express yourself clearly and confidently is supreme. In today's fast-paced world, honing your communication skills can be the difference between achieving your aspirations and facing roadblocks. The personal and professional benefits of mastering communication skills are immense, and I am here to inspire and guide you on this exciting and transformative journey. Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. I'm Maryann. With the rise of electronic communication, connecting with others is easier than ever, but getting lost in the noise is also easy. However, mastering your communication skills allows you to stand out, build relevant connections, and unlock new opportunities. And that's what I will explore in this video. How to take your communication skills to the next level. Strong communication skills can be a game changer in a world where everyone fights to be heard. It's not just about getting your point across. It's about building trust, establishing rapport, and creating lasting relationships. So, if you're ready to take your communication skills to the next level, let's dive in. But before we dive in, here is the common communication challenges we all face. We have all been there. Stuck in awkward silence, struggling to get our points across, or feeling misunderstood. But what if I told you that these challenges are not inevitable? You can overcome these obstacles and build stronger relationships with simple tweak to your communication style. It's all about empowering yourself to communicate more effectively. In today's fast-paced digital world, communication challenges are more prevalent. We are constantly bombarded with notifications, social media updates, and endless emails, making staying focused and present in our interactions harder than ever. And it's not just about the technology. It's about the way we are wired to communicate in the 21st century. We are often more comfortable hiding behind screens than engaging in face-to-face conversations. This shift has led to a need for more depth and intimacy in our relationships, making it rigid to build trust and initiate meaningful connections. Our relationships' lack of depth and intimacy can significantly hinder personal and professional growth. It makes building trust and establishing meaningful connections harder, which is crucial for career advancement and personal fulfillment. We are constantly skimming the surface, never really getting to know each other on a deeper level. And that's what keeps us from experiencing the connections we desire. So here I'm going to be sharing with you the critical skills we need. So how do we overcome these challenges? The answer lies in developing essential communication skills to help you easily navigate even the most complex interactions. The first of these skills you need to work on is listening actively, or mindful listening. Active listening is not just about hearing what the other person says. It's about fully engaging with them on a deeper level. It means being present, focused, and attentive. It also involves showing that you listen through body language and verbal cues. Doing so allows others to feel seen and heard, which is crucial for building robust, relevant relationships and fostering a sense of connection and empathy. By incorporating active listening into your daily interactions, you can build powerful and meaningful relationships based on trust, empathy, and understanding. You will become more confident in your communication style and start seeing the world differently. Another essential communication skill is non-verbal cues, from how you stand to how you make eye contact. Your body language constantly communicates a message to others. Are you open and receptive, or closed off and defensive? Are you confident and assertive, or hesitant and uncertain? So by becoming more aware of your non-verbal cues, you can project confidence and authority even in the most challenging situations. You will become more persuasive, influential, and effective in conveying your point. Assertiveness is another crucial skill that can help you communicate more effectively. It's not about being aggressive or confrontational. It's about being transparent, direct, and respectful in your communication. It's about standing up for yourself and conveying your needs and wants in a way that's respectful to others. Assertiveness is a vital skill that can remarkably enhance your communication. When assertive, you are more likely to get what you want while maintaining solid relationships with others. It's a key to becoming more confident, self-assured, and more effective in achieving your goals, instilling a sense of empowerment in your communication. So if this video is adding value to you, I recommend you give me the like button, because this will help YouTube to recommend this video to others. Now it's your turn. Thank you for the like, and let's get back to the video. In this aspect, I'm going to be sharing with you practical techniques and tips that drastically enhance your communication skills. So what's the one technique that can drastically enhance your communication skills? It's the power of vulnerability. Vulnerability is not about being weak or exposed. It's about being authentic, honest, and transparent in your interactions. When you are vulnerable, you open yourself to deeper connections, more meaningful relationships, and a more authentic way of living. You will become more relatable, likable, and attractive to others. So by incorporating vulnerability into your communication style, you can build trust, establish rapport, and create lasting relationships. It is a powerful tool that can transfigure your interactions and make you more confident, self-assured, and effective in achieving your goals. Adopting vulnerability isn't a sign of weakness like most people think, but a demonstration of strength and authenticity. Here, I'm going to be sharing with you the tips that drastically enhance your communication skills. The first of all is be clear and concise with your word choice. Remember that less is more when it comes to word choice. So before you start any communication, ask yourself just these few questions. What are your goals? What do you want to achieve? Who are your audience? So you ask yourself these questions before you start any conversation. Once you know the answers to these questions, then you can continue your communication or your conversation with the person or anyone you are talking to. Do you know clarity and brevity are essential to persuasive and influential communication? However, avoid unnecessary words which can be a distraction from your message. The second tip is to prepare ahead. Preparing ahead, is thinking about the entire communication from start to end. Now, you must consider how to respond to any question throughout the conversation, because this is essential for effective communication. The third tip for you is be mindful of non-verbal communication. Sometimes our facial expressions, body language, and gestures say more than words. One thing I love about nonverbal cues is that they impact communication more than spoken words. But that's the truth. So, to be a good communicator, you need to understand nonverbal cues. It is used to help support your message. So, be careful not to conflict your message with the nonverbal cues. The fourth tip is to watch your tone. The tone is an essential factor when having a conversation. Your tone can emphasize and add power to your message or erode your entire message. So speaking with someone face to face can be challenging. To control your tone to ensure it matches your aim, but it is worth trying it out and practice on it. I love that it will enable you to change it appropriately if the conversation goes wrong. So let's summarize what we have covered so far in this video. We have explored the importance of mastering communication skills, the common challenges that hold us back, and critical skills you need, like active listening, nonverbal cues, and assertiveness. We also discussed the power of vulnerability in enhancing our communication style and the practical tips that drastically enhance your communication skills, like being clear and concise, preparing ahead, being mindful of nonverbal cues, and watching your tone. Mastering communication skills takes time and practice, but the benefits are well worth the effort. Implementing the skills in your daily life can help you build stronger relationships, achieve your goals, and lead a more fulfilling and enriched life. Mastering communication is a journey of personal growth and self-discovery, and I'm excited to embark on it with you. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some of the biggest communication challenges you are facing now? Your involvement and insights are invaluable. Sharing them can help others on the same journey. Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. And if you're looking for more content on personal development, check out this video on 8 simple ways to improve your personal development skills. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We are all in this together. So thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on this video. Bye. Seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea.